Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create an interesting intro text by mixing two different types of fonts in CapCut. So first, just finish your edits and then just write your first text. So in this case, I'm going to write "Have a good day" but using two different fonts. So for the first text, I'm going to write "Have day" like this. Then I'm going to change the font to this Montserrat font and just write some spaces into the text. Have good, okay, have good, not have day. And then I'm going to use the yellow color for the first text. Okay, I'm going to just go with enter space. I'm going to make it like this. Okay, after that, click on a check icon and you can just adjust it like this. Now add the second text to fill in the blank space. Okay, so I'm going to use a different font for the second text. You can just use any font that you want, but I'm going to use a very different font than the first one, so I'm going to just use maybe let's try, okay, this font right here, the AliExpress. Then I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. Then I'm going to copy the text and write another one. Like this. And you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.